I right, Bryan?
Yes, you are right.
And Bryan, what do you have for me today?
Well, Scott, I have a lovely 805 smash burger. We have an 805 sauce. We take patties, smash them down till they're nice and crispy. We throw American cheese, pickles, and our house sauce with a nice potato bun. And then over here, we have a bacon and fig jam smash burger. So we take bacon, cook it down with red onions and figs and balsamic, make a nice jam out of it. Do the same thing, smash our burgers down nice and crispy. We add Gruyere cheese, and then we add our jam, and then we have a rosemary aioli that goes on it with a little bit of arugula. And on the side, we have a little bit of garlic Parmesan fries. Does that sound good to you, Scott?
Oh my God, it sounds great, but Bryan, I have to say, you just said it. We have to smash the burger. Let me show you.
Oh, smash the burger.
You will see. Here we go. Okay, Bryan, you just saw what I did. Mind blowing! I made the deluxe smash burger. So here we go. It's gonna be huge. Look at that burger. Look at that. The cheese. The bacon. It's so good. Oh my God. The only thing I need right now to wash it down is a cold brew, a Firestone 805 brew.
Very nice, Scott. Very nice.
Oh, that's how you do it. I'm gonna have another bite. This is great. Excellent. Excellent. Remember, Firestone, Sylvan, Smash Burgers. Come see Bryan. This is so good. Until next time, everyone. Keep on cruising. Bryan, what else do you have?
We have a lot of stuff. We got a lot of good stuff. Yep.
All right. I might have to try some more. Gotta go. Bryan, that smash burger that we made was incredible.
Fantastic.
Incredible with the cheese and the big, was it the fig jam?
Fig jam.
It was, you guys gotta come check this out. I made this big burger. It was huge. You're gonna have to come try to make that burger. Am I right?
Yeah, but what's funny is that burger, I only made you a half of a burger because normally we do 2 patties smashed down with an ingredient and the sauce. And you only had half because I gave them 2 burgers. So I only did 1 single patty, but normally when you order it in the restaurant, you get 2 smash patties with the bun. So maybe next time you have to go for that.
Oh my gosh, next time I'm going for 4 patties. Maybe next time, maybe tomorrow. We're gonna see. Until next time, everyone, keep on cruising. Bryan, should we go to the Brew Fest?
Let's do it.
Let us go!
Got myself back in my bags and leaving again. Now I just repeat